Hello, Dream Crypto here. For like 6 days ago, I did find Venera. It was launched around August 2025 and is CPU mining on RandomX. Have some, can you say, fun finesse on that they are actually paying out their own token, VNR, but also USDT on the Binance Smart Chain. Hi, Dream Crypto here. If you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing to support the channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Spec mining, for sure, have no big market cap. Last time I did check, it was like 45k. Max supplies 96 million. They did print 7.5 million at the start. Their main goal is to be a payment system and also launch stablecoins that will be 400% back of their VNR token. Like I said, a spec mining play or spec mining. I have mined this for roughly 6 days. They are proof of work right now, but will sometimes go over to be a hybrid with proof of work and proof of stake. And in proof of stake, we will see nodes with collaterals that we miners or every investor can be a part of. So I want to show you how you can mine this, how you set up a wallet, how you use Hive OS, and also some key feature how you actually get it to work to mining and how their wallet looks like. So let's start with the wallet, and we start to create one, connecting the node, and you will get a seed phrase here that you have to save. It's the only way for you to access your wallet. It can take some seconds, let's see. Finally done. You copy this, you save it. You have to save it because for be able to enter your wallet, you have to press restore wallet, enter your seed phrase, just double check so you don't have the marker on the down. In that case, you press backspace to coming up again. So it's no space between. You press restore, and again connecting to the network. We will have to wait. That took roughly 10 seconds. So now we are in the wallet. In the wallet we have the VNR token. We have the USDT on the Binance Smart Chain. And we have BNB. What you have to, good to know, to be able to send out your USDT, you have to have some BNB. If you don't have any BNB, you can't send out your USDT. And it's on the Binance Smart Chain network. If you want to add, if you need to add some BNB, you press on it, you press on the pile down, you get the wallet address, you copy it, you use your MetaMask or your central exchange or anything that you can send some BNB. You don't have to send much, it's like a quarter, not more. And to get out of this, you just press and drag the mouse up. You also have a swap function, but this one doesn't work. They have another one on their homepage that they will show later. The same on the USDT. When you have a BNB on your wallet, you press it and you press the file away, paste your wallet address, and you have to type the amount. The max button doesn't work, so you know that. And go back. Same here. We will have to use this wallet address to be able to mine. So I will copy this and just go up that way. You also have some crates that you get free. It says daily, but sometimes you get it. And for the most part, it's VNR coins. You can here also stake your tokens. You will lock them up for 30 days, 6 days, 120 or 360. and you earn roughly 8% on a year. So if you want to, choose today, enter the amount, and just press confirm. So that is for the most part of the wallet. Then we will go back to the home page again. So I will show you how it works for the mining part. So then you press mining, and there are only one pool. And here you can see you have the mining URL, the port, minimum payout is 15 VNR, payment interval is 30 minutes, USDT is every 6 hours. And here you can see the amount. Good to know is that 7% is paid out, 30% is kept, and it's kept like this. If the pool generates 100 USDC, 7 goes to pay the miners, 30 is split, 15 go to the DEX liquidity, and 15 go to the DEX swap liquidity. The dev says under normal condition, this is the right path, but they adjusted these as needed depending on hash rate. But that's good to know. There was the wallet. We go to the pool. So how you set up this in iOS? Then show you. You can press the iOS setup, and you have it here. But I will also show you. So jump over. First of all, if you don't have the wallet in iOS, you go to wallets, add wallet, the coin, VNR. I have made one. You press the copy the address in, you give it a name like web wallet, press create. After that, light sheet, go to VNR, select wallet, web wallet, select pool, config in miner, select miner, and here we use XMRig and set up miner configuration. Here we use random X, if I can type right. So wallet template, pool URL, we go back to the pool, we copy this one, and we enter it. And we also need the port 1999, 1999, huge pages, CPU configuration for huge pages, CPU on, and you also have to put the TLS on. After that, extra configuration, yes, you can donate, why not? And that's all. You press apply, give it a name in our spec-mine, and press create. So that's all right now. But you have to do one more thing, and that is to connect your wallet address with your IP. So if you don't know your IP, you go to myip.com and get your IP. When you have it, you go here to the Hive OS setup. You type in your VNR address. Not that one, sorry. We will have the wallet address. So up again. You type it in, and you type in your EP address, like 90, we say 1990 from my EP, and you press register. If you don't do this, you will mine on the pool, but you will not get any coins from it. It will just build up in the backend. So this is very important if you are mining and actually want to get paid. You can see also here the market cap on it. So spec-mining, low coin. And you also have a calculator. For example, 20 kilohash. How this is like any other calculator. It's not perfect for the most part. It's always showing a little higher. I have seen this on like hash rate calculator also a little higher than what it is. And you can also see what their main goal is that they are mining the most profitable coin to mine and convert it into USDT and choose to like pay out 70%, 70% and 30% go back to swap and DEX. So let's go back to the homepage. I will show you about the DEX, the swap, sorry. You press launch app and here you have the swap. To connect your wallet, you press connect Venera. Here you have to have your seed phrase. Like I said in the beginning, you need to save it. So connect, and this will take roughly 10 more seconds. And there you have it. Now we are connected. And here you actually have to move from one account to the other. So this wallet is one wallet, and this one trading account is another wallet. So you have to press move asset and choose from spot to trading. You need to enter the amount and confirm transfer. If you don't do this, you cannot use the swap. The swap is very limited right now. It's not much buying back. There's a buybacks. As you can see, for like today, it's not very much, and there is roughly 90 bucks already that are waiting. You can't go lower than price is here. I have tried, you can't. So this is the lowest price you actually can sell it for. Also good to know. So to just run this off, I will show you my mining. Let's see here. Oh, just need to get the wallet address. So I will put it in here. And you can see I have got 381, roughly $3 in USDT that I have been able to send out. And can check, let's see, I will also enter my wallet. Hold on. So this is how it looks like. It's like I said, I've been mining for like 5 to 6 days. I have some VNR. I have done some staking for 482. I have opened my crates. I have got like 5 of them, I think. And maybe the most important, you can see I have a very, very little amount of BNB. USDT, it says 0, but that's actually because I have transferred my USDT out. And we will have a look at that. And here you can see I did take out first time here 0.82, and the second one was 1 hour ago. I was needed to try to double check so they actually could take money out. So roughly just over $3 here. Is this coin profitable? I would say for a spec mining coin, it's a twist that you actually got some USDT in the same way that you get a token that maybe sometimes will have a value appreciation. But in the hard truth, if you would like mine cubic for a week, you would probably earn more. But for a spec mining play, it's absolutely something different. This was my spec mining play. So until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.